Pitta Dosha in Ayurveda is the fundamental energy that relates to two elements, fire and water, and controls various processes like digestion, metabolism, body temperature, vision, intellect, emotional balance, and also skin health. People with dominant Pitta Dosha have a great digestion, strong appetite, glowing complexion, and quick-witted. But when Pitta Dosha falls out of balance, it can cause discomforting symptoms like indigestion, skin rash, excessive body heat or hot flashes like sensation, and also short temper. So today I will focus on tips to manage Pitta Dosha imbalance through some basic diet and lifestyle modifications. To balance the hot nature of Pitta Dosha, consider cooling, hydrating, and soothing foods, and at the same time avoid excessively hot, spicy, and acidic foods. For example, cooling and juicy fruits like berries, melons, and grapes. Include vegetables with high water content like cucumbers, zucchini, broccoli, and leafy greens. Cooling nuts and seeds such as coconut, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and flax seeds are some great options as compared to almonds and walnuts that generate warmth or heat in your body. Stay hydrated with drinking plenty of water and other cooling beverages like coconut water, herbal teas, and fresh fruit juices. Make sure you include exercise and activities that are gentle, cooling, and relaxational, such as meditation, yoga techniques like yin yoga, pranayam, or breathing exercises like the Shitakari pranayam, also called the hissing breath pranayam, swimming, and my all-time favorite, walking, to promote relaxation and cooling of the body. Hope you found this video informational, and stay tuned for more upcoming content.